स्टार्ट स्ट्रीमिंग के बाद तो स्टॉप स्ट्रीमिंग आ रहा है। यूट्यूब पर तो नहीं शो हो रहा है मैम, यूट्यूब पर मेरा कनेक्टेड ही है। Unacademy BPSC is live. Yes, it's going. Okay. Okay. Okay, sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Sorry for the delay. Good evening everyone. Good evening. I'll just wait for 2 to 3 more minutes. So there was some technical glitch and that is the reason why I'm late today. Hello, good evening Abhijit. Bhavna Singh, good evening. Yeah. Till then maybe some more people can join. Till then you can share the link with your friends and ask more people to join in. Okay. Okay, so I think we are good to go now. Enough people have joined. So, hello everyone. Hello dear learners. Good evening and welcome to Unacademy BPSC, India's largest online learning platform. And I am your educator Prerna, and today we will be continuing with the Bihar geography section. I hope I'm audible. If you can just let me know if I'm audible. If you need something else, just let me know. Okay. So before that, let me tell you about the Achievers 2.0 batch, which is meant for the English medium students of BPSC. This batch has already started from the 29th of March, and my classes will be starting from 6th April. Okay? In the morning, 10 a.m. So if you have not taken the subscription, please do take the subscription. You can use my code PRE10 and avail the maximum ongoing discount. Okay, thank you. And avail the maximum ongoing discount, and together we will continue with the Bihar geography today. So briefly, let me tell you what we studied yesterday. Since yesterday was the introductory class and we had a lot of introduction और पढ़ाई की बातें थोड़ी कम हुई थी, तो आज हम लोग थोड़ा सा एक बार जल्दी से समराइज कर लेते हैं कल हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था. So as I told you, this is the map of Bihar. This is the map of India and this is ये हमारा बिहार है. Okay, you can see this is Bihar. So Bihar is a state of North India. It lies above the Tropic of Cancer, so it lies in the subtropical belt, as I told you. So let's just revise quickly. Bihar is a part of North India. Okay. 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 Yeah, Bihar is a part of North India. It lies in the subtropical zone. If I would suggest you to keep a notebook with you all the time, और ये सारे points हम लोग लिखेंगे, and tomorrow I will show you कि ये सब points कैसे relevant है. Okay, the area of Bihar is yesterday I told you 94163 kilometers square. This was the question in the 64th BPSC. This question was asked in the 64th BPSC. सो इसको ऐसे आप इग्नोर मत करिएगा कि ये सब पॉइंट्स आएंगे नहीं. ये 64th और या फिर 65th BPSC में ये आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है. यू कैन चेक. आई विल शो यू टुमारो. ठीक है. सो टुडे लेट्स क्विकली रिवाइज व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड. या एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सो एरिया ऑफ बिहार इज 94163 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर. You have to learn this figure. Okay, there is no other way out. Okay, so this 94163, it forms 2.86% of the total landmass of India. Total landmass of India मतलब इंडिया का जो भी टोटल जो मैप है हमारा, if you see this map, so इस पूरे मैप का, इस पूरे एरिया का 2.86% जो है एरिया, वो कौन लेता है? वो बिहार लेता है. तो this area of Bihar is 2.86% of the total area of India. Total landmass का 2.86%. Okay, so hence with this Bihar becomes the 12th largest state of India. What is the rank? 12th. In terms of area, Bihar is the 12th largest state of India. Okay, ये सब आप एक जगह पर लिख कर रखेंगे for quick revision, and these things are asked in the exam, so you are not going to ignore this. Okay, why I'm telling you, emphasizing you to write, because from day one I want you to develop the habit of writing. Overnight writing के जो practice है वो नहीं develop होता है. All of a sudden if you think prelims qualify करके and I will just start writing, so ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to develop the writing skill. आपको हर चीज़ खुद से लिखना आना चाहिए, and the more you write the more you will be skilled. Now we come to the population. So the population of Bihar is 104,099,452. This is how you will remember. ये एक बहुत बड़ा फिगर है, and you are going to remember it like a phone number. ठीक है, एक फ़ोन नंबर की तरह आप इसको याद करेंगे. 104,099,452. It is not very difficult to learn. If you can learn a 10-digit phone number, you can also learn this 9 digits. Akash Mishra, good evening. Welcome to Unacademy BPSC, and today we are dealing with Bihar geography. I am your educator for the BPSC special. Okay, so this population is 104,099,452. बार बार बोलिए, आपको ये याद हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Okay, just a second. Okay, so this population forms 8.6% of India's total population. इंडिया के total population का 8.6% population बिहार में रहता है. 8.6% of the total population of India resides in Bihar, and hence Bihar becomes the third largest state population wise. Which is the first largest? Anyone in the comment section? Which is the first largest state in terms of population? You will write it in the comment section. Okay, give me the answer in the comment section. Which is the first largest state? Okay, so this makes Bihar the third largest state in terms of population and 12th largest state in terms of area. So this question was asked, you will not ignore it, and these questions are also potent questions. ये जो questions बनते हैं one liner के form में जो questions बनते हैं, इसमें ये सारे questions को पूछा जा सकता है. Let me just shift the screen. Okay, I think the screen is a bit blurry. I think I'm missing out on things. Wait, just give me 1 minute. Okay, I think it's visible. It's clear now. Okay, so हम लोग quickly revise कर रहे हैं. कल हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था, जितने भी points हम लोग इकट्ठा किए थे, क्योंकि कल introductory class था और ज़्यादा time हम लोगों का introduction और बातचीत में चला गया था. So today we'll quickly revise what we have studied yesterday. Okay, now come to the map of Bihar. ये भी मैंने कल आपको बताया था. So how many districts are there total? कितने districts है? There are total 38 districts. ठीक है, how many districts? 38 districts. So how many districts are there in Bihar? There are total 38 districts. लाइक दिस यू आर गोइंग टू मेक योर नोट्स, ठीक है, पॉइंटर्स बनाकर, एरोज देकर, दीज आर फॉर योर क्विक रिविजन। तो सारे नोट्स हम लोग बनाएंगे, ठीक है। ये सारे जो पॉइंट्स है ना, ये आपको यस यूपी, गुड अभिजीत कुमार, गुड। यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश इज़ द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, ओके। ये सारे पॉइंट्स जो है, फॉर्डर पॉइंट्स जो है, ये आप मेंस आंसर राइटिंग में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो मेंस पर अभी हम लोग नहीं जाएंगे, बट ट्रस्ट मी, यू कैन यूज़ दीज आंसर्स इन मेंस आंसर राइटिंग ऑल्सो। सो नथिंग इज़ यूजलेस, यू कैन जस्ट राइट एवरीथिंग, ठीक है। ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है, नथिंग इज़ वेस्ट, ओके। सो ऐसे ही आप नोट्स बनाएंगे पॉइंटर्स देकर, एंड यू नो क्रिस्प पॉइंट्स बनाएंगे क्विक रिविजन के लिए, एग्जाम के टाइम पर क्विक रिवाइज करने के लिए, ओके। सो विच इज़ द न्यूएस्ट स्टेट? न्यूएस्ट स्टेट इज़ अरवल। Which is the newest state? Newest state is Arwal. Let me just bring the map here. Okay, so this is the map. ये है हमारा map. And where is Arwal? Okay, this is the old map, I think. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the old map. This is the old map. खैर ये पुराना map है. I will bring the new map. नए map. Just let me delete this. It's the old map, I think. Okay. This is the old map. Sorry. Let me paste the new map for you. Let me paste the new map. Okay, wait. Okay, so here comes the new map. That was the old map. I apologize for that. वो पुराना map है. We are using the new map now, ठीक है। So where is Arwal? Hence where is Arwal? It is the newest state of Bihar. So here you can see is Arwal. Yeah, very small state you can see here. Here is Arwal, और इसे जहानाबाद से काट कर बनाया गया है। ये हमने कल आपको बताया ही था. Today we are just revising. So Arwal, it has been extracted from, it has been separated from Jehanabad. Okay, now come to the next, which is the largest state. It is West Champaran. Okay, largest state, West Champaran. Where is West Champaran? Here is West Champaran. This is West Champaran. As I said, please keep a map in front of you. बहुत दिक्कत होगा आपको पढ़ने में, ठीक है। It's very difficult to analyze things if you don't have the map with you. Always keep a map. So कहाँ है West Champaran? Here. कल आपको मैंने ये भी बताया, West Champaran is the northernmost district of Bihar. It is also the largest district of Bihar. अभी हम लोग डिस्ट्रिक्ट के एनालिसिस करेंगे तो आपको चीज़ें और क्लियर हो जाएंगी. So for the time being, this is West Champaran. Okay. Now come to which is the smallest district, Shiवhar. ये भी हमने कल किया था, Shiवhar. So where is Shiwhar? This is Shiwhar. You see, this is the smallest district of Bihar. This is Shiwhar. Okay, clear? इतना तो हम लोगों ने कल किया ही था, and I expect that you have written this much. Okay, now let's come to the next thing that we have studied. Shape of Bihar is rectangular or quadrilateral. दोनों ही shape कभी कभी एग्जाम में दिए रहते हैं, ठीक है. And since the question pattern is very different now, since the question pattern is very different, different, it can be written in both the ways to confuse you. Rectangular, quadrilateral दे सकता है and you'll be like नहीं ये नहीं है. So you should know both कि quadrilateral or rectangular, we can write both. West to east का extent is 483. West to east का extent is 483 kilometers, and this was a question in this is one of the PYQs. This was the question in the, this is one of the PYQs. Okay, and the breadth is, that is north to south, is 345 kilometers. So you are expected to write this also. ये जो map है, this is east to west or west to east is 483, and north to south is 345 kilometers. Okay, yeah. Roshan Kumar, good evening Roshan. Okay, so इतना हम लोगों ने कल किया था. What else we have done? ये basic physiography है बिहार का, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Elevation is 173 feet. 173 feet या standard measurement में बोले तो 53 meters above the mean sea level. So this is the elevation of Bihar. Above the mean sea level, This is the elevation. Now distance from the sea, as I told you, it is 200 kilometers, which is the nearest port to Bihar, that is Kolkata. Okay, इतना हम लोगों ने किया. Then what else we have done? We have done the north, the boundary, the north, south, east and west. So north boundary में कौन है? नेपाल है. Who is the neighbor? नेपाल. कितने डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स टच कर रहे हैं? 7. कौन सा सबसे लार्जेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जो टच कर रहा है? दैट इज़ वेस्ट चंपारण. ऐसे करके आप नोट्स बनाएंगे. ठीक है, दीज आर स्मॉल नोट्स. ठीक है, वेस्ट चंपारण इज द लॉन्गेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट दैट इज टचिंग द बाउंड्री ऑफ नेपाल. ओके, क्लियर? या एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क, यू कैन राइट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. गुड. साउथ में हमारा नेबर कौन है? दैट इज झारखंड, विच वॉज अर्लियर अ पार्ट ऑफ बिहार ओनली. सो अब झारखंड इज अ डिफरेंट स्टेट. कितने डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स टच कर रहे हैं झारखंड को? सो 8. विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट दैट इज टचिंग झारखंड? इट इज़ गया. ओके, राइट, गया. ठीक है. और उत्तर प्रदेश से भी चंपारण 8 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स एंड वेस्ट बंगाल से 3. और ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है, ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये 68th वाले में आया था. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन 68th में आया था. ठीक है, गया श्योर है क्या? हाँ श्योर है, गया श्योर है. ठीक है. ईस्टर्न मोस्ट कौन सा है? किशनगंज. वेस्टर्न मोस्ट कैमूर. नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट वेस्ट चंपारण. सदर्न मोस्ट गया. ये भी आपको कल कराया था. ईस्टर्न मोस्ट कौन सा है? ठीक है, ईस्टर्न मोस्ट कौन सा है? किशनगंज. वेस्टर्न मोस्ट कैमूर. Northern most West Champaran and southern most is Gaya. Okay, so this is done. Now let us come to the next thing. क्या है इसके बाद का पॉइंट हम लोगों को देखना था. हाँ, हमने जो रेंजेस किए, हम लोग जो ब्रॉड फीचर्स किए. ब्रॉडली जो है ज्योग्राफी बिहार को 3 डिवाइड किया जा सकता है 3 पार्ट्स में. एक है शिवालिक, एक है प्लेन्स और एक है प्लेटो. शिवालिक जो है वो नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट जो है, सबसे एकदम नॉर्दर्न बाउंड्री जो है, वहाँ पर शिवालिक रेंज पाया जाता है. प्लेन्स जो है वो नॉर्थ एंड साउथ दोनों में पाया जाता है. एंड प्लेटो इज़ द सदर्न मोस्ट रीजन. सो लेट मी टेक अ मैप फॉर योर रेफरेंस. ओके, वेयर इज़ द मैप? Here is the map. Okay, let me just rub this thing. Okay, so आते हैं पहले शिवालिक पर. शिवालिक, as I said, is the foothills of Himalayas. Shiwalik is the foothills of Himalayas. So you know this area of India, the North India, this area lies in the foothills. This is the Himalayan foothills. So ये हमारा Himalayan foothills है, नेपाल and everything. सो बिहार के भी एक पार्ट को जो है वो जो शिवालिक रेंज है वो टच करता है. ठीक है, वो शिवालिक रेंज टच करता है. सो लेट मी जस्ट ब्रिंग द मैप हियर. सो इफ़ वी सी द मैप, ओनली वेस्ट चंपारण हैज़ गॉट द शिवालिक रेंज. शिवालिक रेंज का एक्सटेंशन जो है वो सिर्फ वेस्ट चंपारण में है. सो यू नीड टू राइट दिस. ठीक है, this is the Shivalik range. Just mark it in your map. If you don't have a map, you can draw us a rough map. How to draw a rough map? It is something like this. Okay, it is somewhat like this. Okay, that's how you draw a rough map. That's how you draw a rough map. In case you don't have a map, this is how you draw a rough map. Okay, so ये है हमारा शिवालिक रेंज जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वेस्ट चंपारण से होकर गुजरता है. दिस इज द शिवालिक रेंज. तो ऐसे आप बनाकर इसे मार्क करेंगे. ओके, दिस इज द शिवालिक रेंज. इट इज़ पासिंग, इट लाइज इन द वेस्ट चंपारण डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ बिहार. ओके, इसका लेंथ कितना है एंड विड्थ, इसकी लंबाई चौड़ाई, शिवालिक ये रेंज कितना एरिया कवर करता है? यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग, यू आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ओके, सो दिस शिवालिक रेंज एक्सटेंड्स फॉर 32 kilometers in length and it is 8 kilometers wide in this area. Okay, it is 8 kilometers wide and it extends for 32 kilometers in length and 8 kilometers of width. So this is 8 kilometers of width and 32 kilometers of length. Okay, so this is the Shivalik range. Now we will cover the plains of Bihar. Okay, let me tell you one thing. The main, जब हम लोग मैप बनाते हैं ना, when we draw the map of Bihar, so roughly the main striking feature of the map of Bihar is river Ganga, which passes more or less from the center of Bihar. Okay, it passes more or less from the center of Bihar like this. Okay, तो आप भी ये एक हमेशा दिमाग में रखेंगे कि रिवर गंगा इज ऑलमोस्ट इन द सेंटर, और गंगा को रेफरेंस लेकर ही हम बाकी मार्किंग्स जो है वो करते हैं. ठीक है, I am okay, Abhijit Kumar, thank you. Please keep on writing. Okay, please keep on writing. So river गंगा को हम लोग जो है फोकस अपना मानकर करते हैं. Now one thing is it river गंगा approximately divides Bihar into two halves, the northern half and the southern half. But always remember the northern plains, the northern Bihar या north Bihar का जो area है, it is larger than the south Bihar का area. ठीक है, नॉर्थ बिहार का एरिया इज लार्जर देन द साउथ बिहार का एरिया. नॉर्थ बिहार का जो प्लेन्स है, नाउ लेट मी कम टू द प्लेन्स पोर्शन. ठीक है, अब हम पढ़ते हैं प्लेन्स. सो दिस इज द प्लेन्स, एज यू नो गैंजेटिक प्लेन. सो दिस इज द गैंजेटिक प्लेन. नॉर्थ इंडिया जो गंगा का कैचमेंट एरिया है, इट लाइज, वी कॉल इट द प्लेन्स ऑफ गंगा. सो दिस एरिया लाइज इन द प्लेन्स ऑफ गंगा. सो दिस इज द गैंजेटिक प्लेन. This is this whole in the south also, and similarly in the north. And as you can see it in the map, North Bihar का plain जो है वो South Bihar के plain से area wise ज़्यादा है. ठीक है, okay, is it clear? Yeah. So here what we find here, the type of soil is alluvial soil, alluvial type of soil, alluvial soil, and it is highly fertile. This is also alluvial soil and it is highly fertile. So Bihar plains, the plains of Bihar lies in the lower catchment. Okay, it is in the lower catchment area of Ganga. Okay, so it is in the lower catchment area of Ganga. Why? Because Ganga तो आप जानते हो ना ऐसे बह कर जो आती है, तो this comes to the lower course of the river. So Bihar lies in the lower course of the river, and this is the Gangetic plain. This is the fertile area. Now come to this area, which is the South Bihar. Okay, so this is the South Bihar. This is the South Bihar portion. This is the South Bihar portion, and it is the plateau region. अब हुआ क्या है कि 2000 में, of course this series is in English medium only, and it has started for English medium students only. It is not for Hindi medium. हिंदी मीडियम के लिए अलग से बैचेस चल रहा है. You can हिंदी मीडियम वाले स्टूडेंट उस बैच को फॉलो करेंगे. ठीक है, so this is the South Bihar. This is the plateau region of South Bihar. What happened actually in 2000, Bihar and Jharkhand got separated. So this is Jharkhand, you know, this is Jharkhand. हमारा साउथ नेबर कौन है? झारखंड है. So बिहार और झारखंड जो है वो in the year 2000, बहुत precisely बोले तो 15th November को 2000, in the year 2000, Bihar and Jharkhand got separated. So just because we have drawn a physical boundary, ठीक है, just because we have drawn a boundary, a political boundary, sorry, एक political boundary बना दिया दो states के बीच में, does that mean कि rocks will also change, rock structure will change? Tell me, do you think the rock structure will also change? No, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि I have drawn a boundary so all the minerals will come and shift to Jharkhand. No. So ये जब division हुआ तो ये बहुत ही थोड़ा सा जो ये portion है ना, यही हमारे हिस्से में आया. This only this portion, ये जो है mineral belt है, this is the mineral belt, and इसका ही extension है जो वो झारखंड में है. तो ये एक बहुत small section जो है वो हमारे हिस्से में आया. Okay, ये जो small section है ये हमारे हिस्से में आया, and this is the mineral belt. So this is the southern plateau region. यही हम लोगों ने कल किया था. This is the southern plateau region. Okay. So ये एक बहुत broad classification है. We have the Shivalik range, we have the plains, this is river Ganga in the middle, and then there is the plateau region in the south. अब हम लोग पहले districts को जान लेते हैं. Let us just understand, see the districts first. एक बार ब्रॉडली हमें पता चल जाए कि कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट किधर है, सो दैट थिंग्स बिकम वेरी easy. Okay, so starting with the North Bihar, let me zoom it. Okay, I think I should zoom it. Wait. Okay, so this is North Bihar. Let us cover the districts of North Bihar. So as I said, the point of distinction will always be river Ganga, which is here in the middle. Okay, you can see here in the middle is river Ganga, and this is always the physical distinction between north and south. So quickly let us know the districts of North Bihar. So this is north, this is south. North Bihar में क्या क्या है? पहले है सबसे northern most, as I said, is West Champaran. Okay, then is East Champaran. West Champaran, as I said, is the largest. It is the northernmost. It has the only national park of Bihar, which is the Valmiki Tiger Reserve. Okay, which is the Valmiki National Park. It is the only national park that Bihar has. ठीक है, और वो कहाँ है? वेस्ट चंपारण में है. ठीक है. Then comes the East Champaran. You see मोतिहारी and all this area. ये एरिया ही फेमस था जहाँ से चंपारण का सत्याग्रह महात्मा गांधी ने किया था. So this area region is famous for the Champaran Satyagraha. So this is East Champaran. Then comes Sitamarhi. Then you see Madhubani, Supol, Araria and Kishanganj. Okay, Kishanganj is the easternmost, as I said, easternmost. Okay, it is also the district of Bihar which lies in the Chicken Neck corridor. Okay, Chicken Neck corridor. What is Chicken Neck corridor? Anyone in the comment section? What is the Chicken Neck corridor? If you have read a little bit of geography anywhere, anytime, मतलब अगर आपको पता है तो you just tell me in the comment section if you know. Otherwise I'll be telling you, of course. Please speak in Hindi. Who is this? Aparajita is. This is not the Hindi class. This is not the Hindi वाला बैच. ये नहीं है. ये इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ही बनाया गया है. हिंदी के लिए एक अलग से बैच चल रही है. आप प्लीज़ उस पर सर्च करिए. This is for the English medium students. Okay. Meanwhile, I will tell you that as I said, Unacademy has started with this new initiative for which is called the Achievers 2.0. This batch is for English medium students. Okay, Achievers 2.0. It has already started. You can see, and you can use my code. You can use my code PRE10 and get the maximum ongoing discount. You will find me here and other top educators. Okay, so okay, let's come to the point first. The question that I asked you. Anyone about the Chicken Neck corridor? If you know, you let me know in the comment section. Okay, let it be. I'll tell you. So this region is called the Chicken Neck corridor. This area, sorry, this ink is not good. Okay, this ink. Okay, so this area is called the Chicken Neck corridor. It is a very sensitive zone. It connects the northeast India to the Indian mainland. You see, this is a very thin piece of land over here. Okay, this is a very thin piece of land over here, and this is the region which connects via Sikkim. This area connects the northeast India to the mainland of India. This is northeast India, mainland of India, and this is the connecting region. So Bihar has this. Bihar का जो ये किशनगंज एरिया है, ये जो हमारा किशनगंज है, that is a part. Okay, this is connecting to the Chicken Neck corridor. Okay, let me zoom it. You see this area, it is connecting to the Chicken Neck corridor. This is the Chicken Neck. So Kishanganj lies in the Chicken Neck corridor. Okay. Okay. Other districts. चलो जल्दी जल्दी other districts देख लेते हैं जल्दी जल्दी. ठीक है. What are the other districts? ठीक है. Kishanganj done. Okay. Then we come here. You have Gopalganj. ठीक है. You have Muzaffarpur, Shiohar, which is the smallest district. Then Darbhanga, which has the recent airport of Bihar. Then Madhepura, okay, Purnia, Katihar. These are the border districts with West Bengal. Kishanganj, Purnia, Katihar is the border district with West Bengal. These are the border districts. इसे ही हम सीमांचल कहते हैं. We call it सीमांचल. Seemanchal. Okay, why Seemanchal? Because it is the border district. These are the border areas. We call it Seemanchal. ठीक है. Then we have Saharsa. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Let us see this first. उसके बाद हम लोग इधर उधर की बातें करेंगे. Actually, okay. So, okay, we are done with. You can see this is Saharsa, and then this is Samastipur. Here we have Khagadia. These are the districts of North Bihar. Begusarai, Samastipur, Vaishali, okay, Saran and Siwan. Siwan and Saran. Siwan is the place from where the first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, comes from. There is a village called Ziradei, and he comes from this village. Okay, so this is the place from where, which belongs to, or I should say, Dr. Rajendra Prasad belongs to. So this is Siwan, then Saran, Vaishali, Samastipur, Begusarai. Begusarai has the oil refinery in Barauni, and then we have Katihar. So this is broadly the map of North Bihar. Okay. Let me just fix this thing. I hope it is clear to you. Yeah. Setups take a lot of time. Okay, I think I'm done with it. Now come to the districts of South Bihar. ठीक है? जल्दी से South Bihar भी कर लेते हैं. Okay, let's do with come to South Bihar. South Bihar पर आते हैं. Okay. Okay. Let me erase this thing. Let us see the districts of South Bihar. Okay, so South Bihar is comparatively smaller in area compared to the North Bihar. Okay, so there is Buxar. Buxar is famous for anyone in the comment section. Buxar is famous for, you must have studied this in history. Okay, so this is famous for the Battle of Buxar. Okay, Bhojpur, then Patna, which is the capital city of Bihar, then Nalanda. Anyone? Nalanda is famous for the ancient Nalanda University. The ancient Nalanda University. Okay. Okay. Then you see Shekhpura, Munger, Bhagalpur, which is the silk center, silk city of Bihar. Okay. Silk city of Bihar. Then we have Banka, we have Jamui, Lakhisarai. Then we have Nawada over here, Jahanabad, Arwal, which is the newest state. Gaya, which is the place where Gautam Buddha got his enlightenment. Okay, this is the place associated with Buddha and Buddhism. Then Aurangabad, famous for cement industries. Here we have Kaimur, which is going to get its second tiger reserve very soon, proposed. Okay, and then there is Rohtas, which has huge reserves of pyrite, 95% of the total pyrite reserves of India. So this is Rohtas. ये है South Bihar. So why I am emphasizing on this is broadly हमें पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सा district किधर है. Why? Because sometimes in the exam it is given to arrange in the chronology. The chronology is given to arrange. ठीक है, north to south. Sometimes it is given arrange in the north to south chronology, or sometimes in the south to north chronology, or east to west chronology. So you should know which district is in which direction. ठीक है, it will take a little bit of time, but इसीलिए कहा गया है ना कि you should have a map in front of you, so you will know the chronology. ये ऐसे questions आते हैं वेस्ट चंपारण, ईस्ट चंपारण, so you have to arrange it in chronology कि पहले कौन सा स्टेट आता है, ईस्ट चंपारण आता है या वेस्ट चंपारण आता है. So chronology आपको याद होनी चाहिए. That is the reason why I have asked you to keep a map in front of you. So this is broadly the districts of Bihar. Okay, fine. Next thing which we need to, which I think I have missed and we also need to know is, okay, in this Shivalik range, as I said, in this Shivalik range, where is the map? This is the Shivalik range. Okay, so the highest point of Bihar lies in this Shivalik range only. It is the Someshwar range in this Shivalik area only, and it is the highest point of Bihar. You write here in this PDF, जैसे ये हम लोगों ने बनाया ना, इसी में आप लोग एक point देकर लिखो. So the highest point of Bihar, highest point is the Someshwar hill. Someshwar hills, कितनी है इसकी heights? It is 880 meters. It lies in the Someshwar range. It lies in the Someshwar range. Where is Someshwar range? I am going to tell you just now. Wait. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, this is the, I don't think we'll be able to complete this today. We'll complete this tomorrow also, but let us at least start the topic. At least पता रहेगा कल क्या करना है, ठीक है? If you cover the Bihar special current affairs with the class, yes, Bihar special का current affairs होगा, of course होगा. My system is not working properly. No, my system is working properly. I think it is working properly. My system is working properly. Okay. So shall we start? Okay. So the basic rock system, जो rock system है बिहार का, उसको हम लोग कुछ basic terms में divide कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? I will just draw the rough figure. अभी साथ साथ चाहो तो draw कर सकते हो. एक है ये, this area which lies in the Vindhya range. Okay, this is the region of Archean era, Archean period of rock system. Okay, Archean rocks. This is the Dharwad rock system. Shivalik, as I taught you, it is just in West Champaran district, and this is the rest of the Ganga plain. This is the rest of the Ganga plain. This is the rest of the Ganga plain. Okay, so let me briefly tell you or completely tell you what each of it is. So where is the new slide? This is the new slides. Okay, so जो अर्थ के फॉर्मेशन का जो क्रोनोलॉजी है ना, उसको हम लोग ऐसे समझते हैं. पहले था प्री कैम्ब्रियन, ठीक है? प्री कैम्ब्रियन, दीज आर द एरास, ठीक है? देन द पैलियोलिथिक, then comes the Paleolithic, then Mesozoic, Cenozoic, and the last is, or the most recent is, the Quaternary period. ठीक है? This is the most recent and this is the oldest. ये अर्थ के फॉर्मेशन के साथ ही एसोसिएटेड है with the formation of earth. तो हुआ क्या था? The molten lava, you have seen, you must have studied this in the geography. The molten lava, जब earth का formation हो रहा था ना, तो all the molten stuff, all the molten lava, you know, it just came out of the core and it, you know, it solidified on the surface. Lava जो है वो solidify हो गया and this is what it forms the igneous rock. यही जो है igneous rocks बना, ठीक है? These are the igneous rocks and the Archean rocks. Archean, जो Archean rocks है, that is actually the igneous rocks. So if suppose there is a big rock, ठीक है, igneous rock ही समझ लो, this is the big igneous rock. With time क्या होगा? इसका weathering होगा, ठीक है? Weathering होगा, erosion होगा, corrosion होगा, ठीक है? Whatever, ठीक है? These are the different forms of corrosion. तो जो rock का surface है, that will corrode and it will eventually break down into smaller parts. ठीक है? This rock will break down into smaller parts. So this is what forms the Dharwad rocks. This is the Dharwad rocks. Okay? Okay, scene is cut off from the side. Okay, let me just fix this again. Sorry. it happens like that sometimes. You have to adjust the screen every now and then. I hope it is okay now. Okay, yeah, just let me know जो भी problem है, you can let me know. तो दिस इज द धारवाड़ रॉक सिस्टम. अब आप देखोगे कि जो इग्नियस रॉक्स है, जो आर्चियन रॉक्स है, दे आर इग्नियस इन नेचर, दे आर ऑफ इग्नियस टाइप. ये आर्चियन ही टूट कर क्या बने, धारवाड़ रॉक्स बने. अब इफ सपोज यू हैव अ ग्लास, ओके, यू हैव अ ग्लास, सपोज यू हैव अ ग्लास और ये ग्लास टूट जाता है, इट ब्रेक्स इनटू पीसेस. So does the composition of this glass change? No. If it is made up of silica, those small pieces are also made up of silica. So if this large rock is made up of granite, these small pieces will also be made up of granite. For example, I'm telling you, whatever is the composition of this big rock will be the composition of the small rock also. Okay. So you see this big rock and this small rock, the composition is all the more same. So इसीलिए जो आर्चियन रॉक्स है ना और जो धारवाड़ रॉक्स है, इनके कॉम्पोजिशन सेम है. ठीक है, इनके कॉम्पोजिशन सेम है, मोर और लेस इनके कॉम्पोजिशन सेम है. ठीक है. सो द धारवाड़ रॉक सिस्टम, द नेम धारवाड़ कम्स फ्रॉम अ प्लेस इन कर्नाटका विच इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी मिनरल रिच एरिया. मिनरल रिच बेल्ट है वो कर्नाटका का. सो द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दैट इज धारवाड़. सो ये पूरा आर्चियन रॉक सिस्टम है, ये पूरा आर्चियन रॉक्स है. दिस एरिया इज रिच इन मिनरल्स, दिस इज रिच इन मिनरल्स. एक बहुत नैरो बेल्ट कवर करता है बिहार का, एकदम सदर्न मोस्ट जो बेल्ट है यही कवर करता है. और ये धारवाड़ जो सिस्टम है, धारवाड़ रॉक्स है, इट कवर्स व्हाट, ठीक है, इट कवर्स द एरिया ऑफ मुंगेर, ओके, ईस्ट नवादा एंड जमुई. ठीक है, जमुई, ये 3 एरिया को कवर करता है. ये दिस इज द धारवाड़ रॉक सिस्टम. नाउ वी कम टू द विंध्यन रॉक सिस्टम. यू सी द विंध्यन रॉक सिस्टम, दिस इज द विंध्यन रॉक सिस्टम. दिस इज द आर्चियन रॉक सिस्टम. This is the Archean rock system and this is Dharwad. This is Dharwad. So जो Vindhyan rock system है, it is the extension of the Vindhya range. You know Vindhya range, Satpura range. So ये जो Kaimur range है, it is an extension of the Vindhya range only. The Kaimur range is the extension of the Vindhya range only. ठीक है. So this is the Vindhyan range and the rocks are of sedimentary types. ठीक है, sedimentary types like I'll give you an example. Okay, the rocks are like sandstone, limestone. ठीक है. So this is the Kaimur Rohtas area. If I show you in the map, this area, Kaimur Rohtas area, this lies in the Vindhyan rocks, Vindhyan system. The rocks are of Vindhyan types because it is a part extension of the Vindhyan range. So limestone, sandstone, ऐसे rocks यहाँ बहुत मिलते हैं and these areas are also very rich in limestone. This area is hence very rich in limestone. Okay. Any question? Okay, now come to the Shivalik range. This is the Shivalik. It is the foothills of Himalaya, and you know here the Himalayas, they are the fold mountain system है. तो it was formed in the tertiary period. ठीक है. और tertiary period में बने हुए rocks जो होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? Is it visible? Yes, it is visible. Okay, so this is the tertiary period. ठीक है, sorry, yes, this was the tertiary period. ये सारे rocks जो है वो हिमालयन शिवालिक जो है हिमालय का ही एक्सटेंशन है. ठीक है. So as I said, ये एरिया सिर्फ कौन सा एरिया कवर करता है? ओनली द वेस्ट चंपारण एरिया, जो कि 32 किलोमीटर्स लॉन्ग है और 8 किलोमीटर्स वाइड है. बस इतना ही एरिया ये शिवालिक जो है कवर करता है. ऐसे भी ये क्वेश्चंस भी आए हुए हैं. तो शिवालिक रीजन जो है या जो शिवालिक रेंज है वो सिर्फ वेस्ट चंपारण को ही कवर करता है. क्लियर. These rocks are also sedimentary. The rocks found here is also sedimentary in nature because you know the Himalayan rivers bring a lot of sediment with it. So वही sediment deposition होता है. ठीक है. अब आते हैं हम लोग इस वाले एरिया में which covers the maximum portion of Bihar. This is the maximum portion of Bihar, which is the plains of Bihar. ठीक है. This is the Gangetic plain and it is the most recent structure. Most recent, ये जो quaternary period है, रॉक फॉर्मेशन का जो सबसे रीसेंट एरा है वही है क्वाटरनरी एरा में बना हुआ है. ठीक है. दीज आर द क्वाटरनरी रॉक्स एंड इट इज़ the soil material is of depository nature. जो जितने भी rivers है, जितने भी Himalayan rivers है, गंगा है और भी जितनी हिमालय की नदियाँ यहाँ से आती है, all the rivers, कोसी and बागमती and all the rivers, they bring a lot of sediments, you know, rich fertile sediments, and they deposit it in these areas. So this area is also very flooded and this area is also very fertile. So North Bihar, ये सारे जो region है and including the South Bihar का ये वाला portion, this is called the tal area. This is called the tal area. This is also alluvial soil only, but the type is tal. We'll do it in the soil section जब हम लोग soil करेंगे. तो what is tal? So इस soil type को tal कहते हैं. These are also alluvial soil. This is also alluvial soil. These soils are very fertile and it is very good for cultivation. So ये area पर agriculture बहुत अच्छे से होता है. Okay, and since there are a lot of rivers, so flooding की problem भी नॉर्थ बिहार में बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. ठीक है. ओके, आई थिंक इतना आई थिंक इज इनफ फॉर टुडे. और कल हम लोग इससे ज़्यादा करेंगे और भी ज़्यादा पोर्शंस कवर करेंगे. ठीक है. और वी विल डू समथिंग न्यू मोर ऑन दिस. let me just quickly tell you about the different initiatives of Unacademy. Okay, so just let me fix this. Okay. So Unacademy has come up with the new initiative and there are different batches going on. I think since the exam is on head and the expected date, as you know, for the 69th BPSC is 30th of September. So I think without wasting any more time, you should take the enrollment. अभी हमारा नया एक ऑफर भी चल रहा है. बाई 12 मंथ्स ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन के साथ आपको 12 मंथ का एक्सटेंशन मिलेगा. 6 मंथ का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो तो 3 मंथ्स का एक्स्ट्रा मिलेगा. देयर आर डिफरेंट बैचेस. कर्तव्य बैच फॉर 69th BPSC in Hindi medium, Achievers 2.0 batch for English medium, and then there are matches for NCRT, for the history optional, different current affairs. Okay, so quickly download the Unacademy app and take the maximum benefit out of it. Yeah, and you can also use my code PRE10. Okay, you can use my code PRE10 and get the maximum ongoing discount. PRE10 is my code and you can get the maximum ongoing discount. So this is all for today. Okay, thank you for joining us and have a very good day. And tomorrow we'll continue with this. इसको हम लोग और से अच्छे से कवर करेंगे, और भी चीज़ें कवर करेंगे. हमारी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं इंग्लिश मीडियम की 29th of March से. मेरी क्लास 6th of March से स्टार्ट होने वाली है. वी विल बी कवरिंग दिस थिंग इन डिटेल. आज के लिए आप इतना याद रख लेंगे, रॉक सिस्टम, और इसको हम लोग कल स्टार्टिंग में एक बार फिर से रिवाइज भी कर लेंगे. एंड देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू other striking features of the Bihar physiography. So for till today it is okay. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow 7 PM on Unacademy BPSC YouTube channel. Till then, take care, good night, and in the words of